Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm here today to talk about the all-new women's Maui bowling shoe from KR Strikeforce. The Maui features an all-mesh one-piece knitted upper that gives a super lightweight, breathable, ultra comfortable fit. It is available in two great color options, gray and black plum. The Maui comes in women's size 6 through 11 and is available in medium width. The Maui features a lace-up design with tongue and collar. It is made for both right and left-handed bowlers and features a number 8 white microfiber slide pad on both shoes with Flex Slide technology. The non-marking bubble rubber outsole allows you to have a smooth and consistent slide during every approach. The Maui is a great choice for any bowler looking to make a statement on the lanes.